Hi, welcome to Shelley Studio, and today I was inspired by my project for Gina Aaron's design team and wanted to create some more little things to put on projects. And during the Olympics, I actually sketched out these birds, or drew these birds, and made copies of them, and I've done some in colored pencil and while I was watching the Olympics, and then I decided to do these ones in watercolor. Now this is a photocopy of the drawings that I did and regular copy paper. So I wasn't sure quite how the watercolor would work on there, but it doesn't seem to be doing too bad. Anyways, we're gonna paint these up and I hope you enjoy. So there we go, some fun birds. Now I've got them, and there's the colored pencil and the watercolor, and I still have the original in black and white, and I copied a transparency. Thought, why not? That'd be fun. So now I have all these little bits and pieces that I can add to whatever I want to. Lots of fun. I cut those out by hand. And at the end here, you'll see a sample of what I did with one of them. I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, please hit like, feel free to share, comment, and if you'd like to see more from me, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.